Yes, so good morning. Here's what I want to do today. But before I start, you get wetin dey worry me wey I say make I just come share for here to see whether one or two person fit advise me because this thing don dey disturb me since yesterday night. Thing don dey my mind. I even almost dream about am. Just dey think this thing since yesterday say people wey dey buy UK use underwear like boxer and pants. How dey dey manage? Abi na because na oyibo pipu now use am, they no get korokoro. I don dey think this thing. I know say the thing sounds funny o. I know say the thing sound funny, but you think am, I don dey understand. But let's keep that aside. Today I want to continue wetin I been build last time wey dey change text to speech. So this one, if you want to know, if you no been watch previous video, abeg go my Facebook page or YouTube or TikTok, you go see the previous one. But this application now dey change text to speech like this.
Hello my people, this application good.
Alright? Alright. So in dey change text to speech. So if you know matter the number of letters you put, you go read all of them. You understand? And as we continue, we go upgrade them, whereby we fit use different voice texture, right? Then we will upgrade them whereby we fit now program and put this voice inside audio MP3 file, so that as in convert and finish, you fit carry the file, use and go make your content. So now we want do today. So today we'll just work and reach where we fit work and reach, make the video not too long. Then we will continue tomorrow. Right. So once again, my name is the amazing Prince Lee, and this is Tech Gist. So every day we are going to be saying some and doing some interesting things that will make you happy. So now we don't do and reach this stage now, right? So now I want to do small redefining, make the thing like get small control. So if I just do it like this, and you want to use them, once you open them for any application, you will just start to work. But I don't want I mean start to work. I want to be say you go command them before you work. Like for example, you go put the text inside an input. After you put them inside the input, then you go now press something before it will work. It's not just a work when you know pressing it. So how can you do that in a function? So for Python, now Python what they use now, they run this program. To write function for Python, they call them def, right? So after def, you can write the name where this function could do. So I will just tell them convert. I will call this function convert text to speech, so that we will know within this function. Work of this function, I say I want put the code inside there, so that when they trigger them, and when you can't do the work, just do the work like that, as even be on that. So I go put my parentheses. Then now jack all these functions so it can work on its own like that. Then I will now put them inside my function. So now this thing they tell me, because you know say me, I sabi plenty programming language. So sometimes they mix up things. This one a camel case. They use and well for JavaScript. But for Python, the one they call snake case. You know, Python and snake now. So everything they want make it be like snake. So I'll convert them to snake case now. How can I convert them? For each word, I go use the underscore instead of me to use initial capital. I'm go happy now. Everything they talk now. Function name should be lowercase. One of them capital. Yeah, he don't happy now. So everybody is happy. So now see, if I click this play button, you will see say he no go speak. See say no speak. Because I don't just want time where you run the application, go contact to the it don't make sense. Say you just open one website, something just start to the top, where you never do anything. So now function will help you control that thing. So now only when that function is called, I go speak. But for now, because we dey work on this video, we'll see column for these documents, right? So we'll call this function for this document now. So I will call them here now. All right. So this one, you just be like say, I want trigger waiting there inside this function now to work. Now I call them here. If I press them now, I'm going to talk now.
Hello my people, this application good.
So now you don't talk, right? So anywhere this function is called, where you just trigger, yeah, do it. You go do it in the inside, put inside. But that one now bygone. You want to learn all these things. Learn. What do like developer say, AI don't take over. No need to learn skill again. No worry. You go pay me. You go pay me small money to use my AI application. All right. So let us continue. Now we don't make this thing give us small control. Right? So the thing don't make sense. So we still beautify them because ordinary person wey wan use this application no go come inside code, come write wetin he wan convert inside here. Like this inside the function, you no go even know how to go about it. You no go even see the code. Maybe na user interface you go see, right? So make am whereby it go dey easy for them to send them inside this function. So what we go first do for now is say we go make a variable. We call am that should we call it text prompt? Or we say text input. Text input is better, right? So we will put them inside this variable. I put space so that everybody they confused. So now I want them whereby when they write the text, you go enter this variable. From this variable now, I come put it inside the function. So for this function now, I will make a making receive something. Then now you can enter for where you're supposed to be before work. Right? Good. Right? So now when this function is called, that is when I will now send it inside. So I can, yes, we call it text in, right? All right. So in the chart, they tell me something. Tell me. Horizontal reference, text input photo, blah blah blah. Okay, I think I know the problem, right? So the problem, first of all, start from here. This is text input. This one is not the same as this. This has a capital letter I. Change it first, right? So that will solve that problem. Then for here now, this is where when the function is called, the function will not take this text from here, right? So if you're the programmer, you understand me very well. So it will now be text, this text input, capital letter. So I'm a Python guy, not a JavaScript guy. So I will still make it snake stuff, right? So let's do the snake stuff, right? Okay, so everything is working now. So let us test it. Let's test it.
Hello my people, this application good.
The text why take from here now. And here why they write the text. So I can add more things from here now. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, let's go.
Hello my people, this application good. Enjoy yourself.
Okay. Now we don't go and whereby we fit get control. So the next thing we will target now how to use a different speech and maybe use something when you go to sound like robot. Hello, how are you today? Have you eaten today? How can I help you? Hello, my people. This application good too. Enjoy yourself. This one a machine voice texture. So we can also use natural voice texture. we can install it inside our system. How to do that one now? My teacher now. Go to settings. You go to settings for Windows. This one is for Windows. So you go to settings. This one Academy Go now. No play with me. Computer. You go to settings now. My friend, open this thing. When you enter settings for Windows, just go to this accessibility, right? Then go to this narrator. If you go to this narrator now, right, then you see here add natural voice, because within that Python editor they use actually something when they already did the system. That voice where they hear not just come from thin air. It's already in the computer system. So we can add a natural and use a natural voice, right? So this one now, this one should be natural voice India. This one India person. So yeah, yes, you don't want some. How did they do done to? I want men give me preview.
Hello, my name is Nija. I am a high quality speech voice that you can use for your screen reading needs with your narrator, which is a screen reader app built into Windows. You can use my voice while interacting
Okay,
and
thank you,
reading text with
India.
narrator, and I hope you give me
Hello, my name is Sonia. I am a high quality speech voice that you can use for your
I don't make my video long. So now back to our code. So we can also bring those voice texture here, which we could do, right? All right. So, but we'll just see the one we will bring for this place first, right? So we'll go use a function to bring and come. So now we'll go find how we go change the voice texture, right? So a lot of people will know me, know how me and the carry do my own thing. People don't know me, then this is how they do magic. Actually, they do magic. Everything way they see me they do now, day for Google. You can search and you can see and apply within day. So we'll go use Google, find this package, see how we carry do that one. So we will go to our browser. We will search for that package we will use, right? It is this PYTTS S3, remember. And now we'll go for their documentation now. So now their documentation don't open back. So you read. It's good for you to read. Maybe everything you just want to go. Then they even they do YouTube things. So they read we don't read documents, read documentation, understand and start to rule. Understand? So now let us go quickly. We'll look for how to change the voice texture. Now if you look at this one now, this one is to get property. They put get to know current volume level. This one is to print the level. Okay, we are looking at voice. So this one is to get the current voice. Then this one now is see the guy choose voice, right? Engine.set property voice. Then we have, for programming we count from 0. So voice 0 is 0. Voice 1 is 0. Voice 2 is 2, right? So right now we are using voice 1. I make it the other one. So let us change the voice to voice 2. So let's copy this now and put it forward. All right, so this is where we call the engine. So before our stuff, I will change the voice at right. So why is it underlining this console? Let us check that documentation again. So if you check it now, that was a variable, right? So we didn't declare the variable. So we have to put this line, right? That will now declare that variable that is used inside there. So let's also copy. Right? Put it before as it top of it like this, right? So before it was voice, later we will change. We're changing this to see the variety of voice. But let us see what is happening.
Hello, my people. This application good. Oh, enjoy yourself.
Oh my God, we have gotten a lady's voice. Okay, let us put one.
Hello my people, this application good. Oh, enjoy yourself.
So let us see whether we have other voices idea. Let's try to. All right, so it returned an error. That means this package gave us only a male voice and a female voice, and they are not natural. See, they are sounding like machine. Hello, my people. We are enjoying this, right? So, but there is a way that we can, from our computer, we can include all those natural voices. So, on our next video, we are going to include natural voices too. So, with this application, if you're a content creator, you don't need to pay too much, right? With this application, I think it will reduce your expenses, at least for the text to voice one. You can do that one with your system, right? You can do that, put all the text, build it, write everything you want, it will give you. Then you will also use it to do your content creation to reduce money, and then they spend money. Oh, help me make I just build one also. Okay, this might no show. Build one application to me, I will carry the collect. All right, let us check this thing again once more.
Hello my people, this application good. Oh, enjoy yourself.